So what type of job can a student expect to get once they graduate from the program in computer integrated machining? Well, a student can go into the working world as a machinist, a tool maker, a CNC programmer or operator. They can go into the working world as a model maker, a die maker, or a mold builder. There's a huge number of jobs that are available because machining and tooling expands so many different job categories such as agriculture, construction, automobile manufacturing, and so that almost everything that you ever have or ever will have has a tool maker, a mold maker, a machinist, a CNC programmer in it somewhere along the way. So that there are a tremendous number of jobs that are available that a student can get and make really, really good wages. For the most part, our students leave out of here, go into a job making somewhere in the neighborhood of $30,000 to $40,000 a year. Within 5 years, that student usually is advanced to the point where they're making in excess of $50,000 a year.